Scan complete. This one goes to staging. Okay, I'll grab the next layer here.
Incoming quality checks prevent defects from entering the line.
Clear segregation ensures only approved materials proceed to production.
Kitting synchronizes materials with tack time to keep the line stable. Consistent paste volume is critical for reliable solder joints.
SPI verifies solder paste accuracy before components are placed.
Automated placement ensures precision and repeatability at high speed.
Controlled reflow permanently bonds components to the PCB. AOI detects assembly defects that are invisible to the naked eye. Buffered WIP keeps the line balanced while isolating non-conforming boards.
Vision-guided placement ensures accuracy for dense smartphone circuitry.
Final optical inspection confirms solder and placement quality.
Depaneling prepares individual boards for downstream testing and assembly. ICT verifies component presence and basic electrical integrity.
Only electrically sound boards advance to functional testing. Functional testing confirms the board operates as designed.
Final assembly integrates electronics with mechanical and cosmetic parts.
Controlled torque protects components while ensuring retention.
Precise camera installation preserves optical alignment.
Early visual checks prevent downstream rework. Controlled battery placement ensures safety and long-term reliability.
Precise adhesive application secures the display without stress. Uniform lamination protects the screen and maintains sealing.
Proper curing stabilizes the bonded display before testing.
Final enclosure protects internal components from handling damage.
Verified torque ensures enclosure strength without stressing the housing.
Permanent marking links the device to regulatory and service records.
Safe First Power-Up confirms assembly integrity before full testing. Proper shielding ensures compliance and signal stability. Organized transfer maintains flow into end-of-line testing.
Comprehensive functional tests confirm all user features operate correctly.
Calibration ensures consistent visual performance across devices.
RF testing verifies connectivity meet regulatory and design limits. Targeted rework corrects isolated issues efficiently.
Retesting confirms corrective actions fully resolved the issue. Cleaning ensures devices reach customers free of debris.
Final firmware loading prepares the phone for market release.
Integrity checks ensure correct and secure software installation.
Correct accessories ensure a complete and compliant product package.
Standardized box loading ensures consistent customer presentation.
Tamper seals protect product integrity through shipping. Master cartons streamline handling in the distribution network.
Weight checks confirm all contents are present before shipment.
Non-invasive inspection verifies carton integrity without opening.
Consistent pallet patterns protect cartons during transport.
Wrapped pallets maintain stability and traceability in transit. Organized storage protects inventory and enables accurate order fulfillment. Staging prepares pallets for timely shipment to distribution centers. Controlled loading protects products during transportation.
Accurate documentation completes the shipping process. Finished products leave the factory under controlled logistics.
We need to verify these outbound scans from yesterday.
Okay. The manifest matches the log here.
Okay, let's clear it.
Closing the batch locks quality and traceability records.
Line reset prepares a clean and controlled environment for the next run.
The facility stands ready for the next production cycle.
If we follow the flowchart here, this sensor needs to be calibrated daily.
What if the reading is already within tolerance?
Good question. The SWI specifies calibration regardless.
Right.
Stable environmental conditions protect sensitive electronics processes.
Reset waste areas ensure readiness for the next production run.
Planning aligns completed output with upcoming production demand.
Reusable ESD carriers are cycled back into controlled storage.
Controlled returns keep inventory lean and traceable.
Standby settings reduce energy use between production runs. Automated systems remain ready while the factory is on standby. Secure data archiving preserves manufacturing history.
Up-to-date compliance records support safe, ongoing operations.
Temporary holds allow final market authorization without disrupting flow.
Logistics confirmation completes the physical distribution record.
Okay, the production notice for batch 74920-A001 just came through. I will forward that to you now.
Service parts availability supports long-term product reliability.
Performance metrics drive continuous improvement. The factory transitions smoothly into off-shift mode.
Verified safety systems ensure readiness at all times.
Stable IT systems safeguard production and traceability data. The facility remains secure outside operating hours.
Secured lines preserve condition for the next production cycle.
Regular calibration ensures measurement accuracy across future builds.
Post-run analysis identifies opportunities for improvement.
Controlled updates keep operations standardized. The factory stands prepared for the next scheduled build.
Restocking ensures uninterrupted packaging for upcoming builds.
Automated transport checks ensure reliable material flow. All factory systems indicate readiness for the next production cycle.
Organized staging supports efficient palletizing for future shipments.
Clear docks ensure safe and efficient future loading operations. Charged equipment ensures availability for the next operating window.
Normal status confirms stable operations across the facility. The warehouse remains orderly and ready for ongoing operations.
Label system checks prevent identification errors in future shipments.
Stable utilities are essential for reliable manufacturing operations. All production areas stand prepared for the next build.
The facility is ready for the next production cycle.